Eating a diverse range of vegetables is essential for maintaining good health, as each vegetable offers unique nutrients and health benefits. This list includes 30 vegetables known for their ability to promote overall well-being. Spinach, for example, is rich in iron and antioxidants, supporting bone health and reducing inflammation. Kale, with its high vitamin A, C, and K content, boosts immunity and aids in detoxification. Broccoli provides cancer-fighting compounds like sulforaphane, while carrots are packed with beta-carotene, benefiting vision and immune function. Sweet potatoes are excellent for skin health due to their beta-carotene content, while cauliflower supports brain health with choline. Brussels sprouts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, promoting heart health, and tomatoes contain lycopene, beneficial for the skin. Bell 1. Spinach, packed with iron, calcium, and antioxidants, supports bone health and reduces inflammation. 2. Kale, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, boosts immunity. And 3. Broccoli, high in fiber, vitamin C, and cancer-fighting compounds like sulforaphane. 4. Carrots, a great source of beta-carotene for healthy vision and immune function. 5. Sweet potatoes, full of fiber, vitamin A, and antioxidants, promotes gut and skin health. 6. Cauliflower, contains choline for brain health and compounds that may reduce cancer risk. 7. Brussels sprouts, rich in vitamin K, folate, and omega-3 fatty acids, supports heart health. 8. Tomatoes, loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, good for heart and skin health. 9. Bell peppers, high in vitamin C and antioxidants, helps improve skin and boosts immunity. 10. Zucchini, low in calories, high in fiber, and great for digestive health. 11. Cabbage, packed with vitamin C and K, fiber, and compounds that support gut health. 12. Beets, contains nitrates that improve blood flow and support cardiovascular health. 13. Asparagus, rich in folate and antioxidants, aids in detoxification. 14. Green beans, high in fiber and vitamins, helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels. 15. Onions, contains quercetin, an antioxidant that may reduce inflammation. 16. Garlic, known for its immune boosting and cardiovascular benefits due to allicin. 17. Mushrooms, rich in selenium and vitamin D, supports immune and bone health. 18. Cucumber, hydrating and low calorie, good for skin and digestive health. 19. Pumpkin, full of beta-carotene, fiber, and potassium, supports heart and vision health.